This little thing has totally saved my life. I've been grinding my teeth for like 6 or 7 years. I've had a mouth guard before, but I recently wore mine out. And since I'm no longer living in the state that I have dental insurance, Pro Teeth Guard was the only affordable way that I could get a mouth guard for my night grinding within a few weeks. The ordering process was super simple online. Just submit an order for it, take your own teeth impressions, which was really easy, and they send back almost a perfectly fitting tooth guard. Mine wasn't completely perfect. The bottom impressions were a little bit moved over to one side, but that was no problem because they do it over for free. You just send it back and tell them exactly what needs to be done, and they'll send you another one, which I got, and it fits awesome. It fits perfectly. Thanks, Pro Teeth Guard.